Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is the Luxe Touch. Thank you for stopping back by. Today I am showing you different things that I have been doing while I am on quarantine at my grandparents' house. So I decided to just start updating things in here. This house was built back in the 1970s, I believe. So I'm just going around and trying to update little things here and there, just to keep up with the house, and make it more, modern in today's age. So keep watching and see what I come up with. Right here, you'll see that I am updating the stair. What do they call? Rail, banister, whatever they're called. This is it. I decided to update it with some white paint to make it pop. And there you have it, guys, all white. And I think I picked the right color to make it stand out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments, if you like the white, or should I have gone with another color. I really want to just paint the whole entire room like a gray color, so I'm still picking that out, so we'll see what I come up with. So little things like paint will make a big drastic difference in a room or in the house overall. Right here you will see that these are some big fans that my granny had in her living room, which were too big for the room, I believe, because the ceilings aren't that high. And you will see me going over to the fan to show you just how big that fan was. Every time I would walk out of my room, I hit my head on the fan. See? So I decided to order some new fans and get them installed, which you will see in the next clip. It made such a big difference, you guys. Just little small things will update the space. And there you go. Two of the same fans. Nice uniform look. And it's more flush to the ceiling, so I don't have to worry about hitting my head anymore. I can just walk straight through. And they are simply gorgeous. And I will definitely link these fans down below in the description box. If anybody is interested, Lowe's had them on sale, 40% off. So I'll definitely link those down there. And I just love, love, love how it turned out. And this is actually the fan on the Lowe's website. But I am going to leave a link at the bottom for you guys. This is a fan light fixture that I am going to put in the hallway to update the fixture in the hallway, and you will definitely see that on the next video. It has not come in yet. So I received my order from Zgallerie, well, one of my orders. These are long stems that I found on their sale that they're having. They're having a very good sale, so if y'all are in the market for any decor, hit up Zgallerie. And these were originally like $50 or maybe $60 per stem or something like that, but they marked it down to $25 for the bundle. So here you will see me opening up the box, and I'm going to show you a detailed look of the stems. So here it is, opening up the box for the first time. And they are so beautiful, you guys. This box was almost as tall as me. They're so long. They're such long stems. And here I am struggling to take them out the pack. Just look at that. Oh my goodness. The grace of the greens, you guys. Oh my Lord. I have been stalking these stems for a while. But they are absolutely gorgeous. These are going to my house, by the way. So while I'm here updating things, I'm also buying things for my house when I move back home. So yeah, these are for my home. And I will show you exactly what I'm going to do with them on my e-design that I made. Now these are green pillow covers that I ordered from Amazon. They are velvet pillow covers, and you guys, I only spent, I want to say $21 for two, and this is a 24 by 24. The quality is out of this world. So if you're interested in the velvet look for your pillows, I am leaving a link down below, because these are excellent quality. Excellent quality. Like, I couldn't even believe it when I took it out the package. And they are very thick. So check that out in the link down below, you guys. So this is the vibe that I'm going for in my house. And as you will see, I have an e-design to show you just the look that I'm going for. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know how you like the look that I'm going for in my house. Love you guys, and stay safe.